Marks Brownlee unboxes every new iPhone 17 series phone outside the chaotic environment of the Apple Park at the launch. He showcases the iPhone 17 Pro Max in the $2,000 2TB version, the iPhone 17 Pro in the new blue, the base iPhone 17 with glossy and satin finishes, and the ultra-thin iPhone Air.
$2,000 most expensive iPhone you can buy this year.
Brownlee highlights the Air's ridiculously thin design, calling it the most interesting iPhone in the lineup, due to its titanium rails and light blue color.
Just so ridiculously thin.
He shares that the base iPhone 17 could be the best deal they've had in a long time, praising the improved camera, 120Hz display, and 256GB starting storage. Battery capacities and benchmarks show meaningful upgrades, especially for the Pro models.
So now starts at 256 gigs. It's at 120 hertz now.
Brownlee's hot take suggests most people should get the base iPhone 17. Well, that's around 12 minutes saved. See you next time.